Since the birth of the modern electrical system in the late 1800s, railways have been electrified, and today, with over 300,000 kilometers of electrified railway, trains are vital for the future of sustainable transportation. Railway electrification has unique challenges compared to a typical power grid. Electrical loads can vary suddenly as trains accelerate or stop, placing an extraordinary stress on the transformers in the system. Hitachi Energy has a full range of transformers for railway infrastructure, rectifier and converter transformers for DC systems, static frequency converter transformers for AC systems, AC line feeder transformers, including standard auto and special connection transformers, plus booster isolation, auxiliary transformers, and transformers with transient voltage protection technology. T-Expert Hub is the heart of Hitachi Energy's T-Expert ecosystem. It enables our customers to take simple steps to digitize their transformers. With years of experience in railway, our specialists can optimize the transformer to the most stringent customer requirements, applications, and installation constraints for the highest level of reliability and fire safety. Our transformers are available with biodegradable and safe ester fluid, and especially for indoor applications as dry-type transformers. Hitachi Energy helps our customers to meet their mobility demand with green, safe, reliable, and efficient railways with low operating costs. They're designed to withstand challenging variable electrical loading and short circuits common in rail networks, and developed for low losses and reduced maintenance to keep operational costs down. Moreover, Hitachi Energy recently introduced transformers with TVP technology. This prevents voltage peaks from ever reaching levels that could damage the insulation in the transformers and avoids subsequent costs of downtime and repair or replacement. Digitalization enables real-time remote monitoring and data analysis for asset management, improving availability and reliability. Hitachi Energy leads the way in transformers for railway infrastructure, with 1 in 5 trackside units installed globally and manufacturing facilities worldwide, helping people and goods to get where they need to be. Hitachi Energy, advancing a sustainable energy future for all.